Hello everyone, this is Shahaf, and I'm here with an update. So, let's get to it. As an enterprise layer 1, COTI's MultiDAG 2.0 is a huge milestone for COTI. I said it many times, and you can't really overstate it. Being a multi-token layer means everything for us, and the way it works is that we've been perfecting and building the tech stack, and now it's time for business development. So we are about to go mainnet with the full range of everything that we've built, and now it's the time for business and usage. When you'll see this video, hopefully we've already signed the first enterprise to use TrustChain 2.0 stack, meaning MultiDAG 2.0, the issuance of a new CMD standard token, the usage of the Bridge Explorer, everything. As you know, we've been working hard on this development, and I've been updating it every now and then. The way it works, how does enterprise sales work? Usually, you try to gauge for interest. You narrow it down to a few partners that are interested. You discuss product roadmap, what you want to build together with them. And if it all goes well, you sign a memorandum of understanding, the MOUs. Now, MOUs are not binding. They're not a commitment. But they state, where are we going with this? And then it takes a while. You continuously progress the product together and what you see fit that can leverage what COTI is doing and leverage what the enterprise actually wants to do. And once you have all of this configured, you go on to a full commercial agreement. Now, MOUs can be a 2-pager thing, but full commercial agreements usually are a bit more dense. They can go to 30 to 50 pages where everything is detailed. And this is why it takes so long. These are huge deals. Enterprises are a big beast, and a lot of people need to sign off and agree on everything. So this is the process, and this is what you can expect from us. Negotiations, MOUs, and full commercial partnerships. So if all goes well, when you've seen this video, we've already signed an agreement. And if it takes us another week or so, so be it. On this specific agreement, we've been working on for, I would say, about 8 months, right? So this is great news. I'm not sure when we can announce the partner's name. It doesn't really matter that much. But what's important is that we're starting to build. You'll see the full scope once we can. But suffice to say right now that it involves a new token issued on the trust chain and the full use of our tech stack. All right, let me update you on again, the tech stack itself. So MultiDAG 2.0 and Bridge 2.0. As you know, we've already deployed MultiDAG 2.0 and Explorer 2.0 on testnet in August. We've also since released Bridge 2.0 to Foxnet. And Bridge 2.0 is great because it means that you can literally swap any ERC20 token to the trust chain and vice versa, right? So, and we'll add more chains as well. Some you can expect and some will be, I guess, a surprise. What to expect in Bridge 2.0 other than the fact that the Bridge right now offers COTI ERC20 to COTI native and vice versa, and now any token can be swapped, but what else to expect? One big thing is a swap monitor page. So it means that you can monitor through your wallet or through the website, whatever you see fit, the swaps. You can cancel swaps, you can refund swaps, etc., and it's all initiated directly on the Bridge. So this is big for the users, obviously, and we're very happy for that. Other than that, I've updated on this a while back. A few bad actors have been manipulating the Bridge in a way that they've been, taking away the allocations or the limits that we've put in place to make sure that we have enough liquidity on all chains. Some bad actors using bots kind of taken this liquidity from users like yourself. Obviously, we wanted to block this. We've added a max rate limit And that allows us to block almost everything that is malicious and trying to steal your allocations. So that is also installed. And on top of everything, we have a new and improved user experience and user interface. I think you'll love Bridge 2.0. So when? Bridge 2.0 mainnet will be deployed around the beginning of October, so it's literally around the corner. MultiDAG 2.0 mainnet hard fork will be announced in October. This is when we allow the node operators to update their software. And if everything goes well, November is when we go full-on hard fork. With that in mind, we've added a new mainnet node operator. So congrats to Zippy Zorro for joining the established and super list of node operators we have today. The new node is called Resolute. So welcome to the family, Zippy Zorro. What else? COTI. I've mentioned COTI. COTI will be the first token to be issued on top of MultiDAG 2.0. But other than that, it's our governance token for COTI's substantial treasury. And COTI have many utilities, as I've mentioned. Governance over the treasury, that means votes on matters that you care about. APY booster, if you use COTI and deposit that as well. Participation in liquidation, etc., etc. Trust me, you want COTI. You can't buy COTI. You will get it for free if you participate in the treasury and in the social activities around the treasury. More information is coming in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. That also comes with longer periods for staking and all the things that you actually wanted. Djed, let's talk about Djed. First of all, congratulations to our friends in Cardano. The Vasil hard fork is due this week, September 22nd. So I think this video will be released on Wednesday, so tomorrow. And all the best. We love you guys in Cardano, and we wish you a very successful Vasil hard fork. As I mentioned, that means the update of our code. It means that we'll be ready to send to the auditor the final code, and hopefully he signs on it with no big issues, and we can progress with Djed. We'll keep you updated on progress in the coming weeks. Business development for Djed is full on. We have 3 new partnerships: Cardano Warriors, Jara Network, and Singularity Net with their project Cogito. We'll keep them coming as we go. CVI. You've seen a lot of progress recently, and we're pushing hard with the CVI. What to expect in terms of technology, TetaVault and leverage volatility tokens are launching. TetaVault is a way for liquidity providers to provide liquidity to a vault and expect to be rewarded on top of it. And leverage volatility tokens are simple tokens that you can buy in your favorite DEX. And if you believe that volatility will increase, if you believe volatility will decrease, you can just sell them. And there's never been a better time to trade volatility in the markets right now, because everything is pretty fuzzy. So that to be expected. 2 big partnerships. One is that we're collaborating with Ichi. And Ichi has built vaults to help mitigate against impermanent loss and enable DAOs like CVI to earn their token treasury and provide liquidity to help the project grow. We've already hosted the Ichi team for Twitter Spaces. You can catch up the AMA recap. But what's important is that if you hold Govi, you should go right now and vote for Govi. So please do it right now. Other than that, with Armadillo, our system to hedge against impermanent loss, I'm happy to say that we are collaborating now with QuickSwap, the big DEX on Polygon. They will host us for a special AMA about Armadillo, and that will take place today. Polygon, I think, is hosting this AMA, so pretty high profile. So those are 2 big things. Each is big. QuickSwap is obviously big. So big things are happening with the CVI. So that's what I have for today. Thank you for taking the time to listen. To recap the big things with COTI is that the tech stack, as you see, every day we're going from testing to production, and this robust technology will allow us to onboard enterprises and grow the usage for COTI. And when you hear this video, I'm very hopeful and optimistic that we've already signed full commercial terms with the first enterprise. And if not now, then next week, but that's going on for sure. Stay COTI, and thank you for taking the time.